Hi, my name is Varna Trivedi and I head People and Culture Function at Varna Networks. Varna Networks is basically a networking organization. We are interested in networking. So I had a People and Culture Function out there.
How do you think working conditions have evolved over the past decade, especially for women and working mothers?
Working conditions has been changed, dramatically. I would say uh, people have started with more and more, diversity and inclusion. People have started accepting women in the organization in a higher position in an important role. They started, giving them important roles and responsibilities. It has not been just like back in the era that women were just looked for only operations role or a back-end role or for a small time responsibilities. Today's women have started, taking more and more responsibilities because there have been equal support given by the organization, and at the same time the family have been really supportive. But all this doesn't just happen overnight unless and until women take stands for herself and confident about balancing work life, and that's where I believe that it has changed.
What is the one piece of advice that you have for all women who are juggling between work and life?
I would say be confident about yourself. Uh, just follow your dreams. Don't fear of dreaming during the daytime, because unless until you dream, you will really not know the way to chase them. Once you know your goals in life, once you know your dreams in life, I'm sure you will have backbone support from your both family as well as from the organization. When I say that, I understand for a lot of women, it is not easy to step out of their house or thinking about doing the work because of various reasons. Maybe sometimes the family is not supportive, sometimes they don't have, when having the nuclear family, they really don't have that possibilities, blah blah blah. But having said and done, I would say nothing is impossible. If you are not able to step out for that particular moment and work in an organization as such, do something. You can always do something on your own. You can be a great entrepreneur. Today's woman is a role model herself for many more others. It is not about gender, diversity. It's not about the gender biasness any longer. So yeah, just be confident about yourself. Chase your dream. Don't get fear of dreaming, and the world is yours.
How important do you think it is for women to lift each other up?
Well, I think in a way it's just a myth where they say that women is probably considered an enemy to another woman or a competitor to another woman. But I feel and also have experienced that if a women want, we can be the biggest motivator, not only for the women, also for the male. I mean, we can create the tough competitions for the male. Where it's all about ultimately your skills, your capabilities, and not about if you are a woman or if you are a male. So I guess yeah, that's this. I think that's about it. Yeah.
A message you want to send out to people, to the new women entering the workforce?
I feel that when you're trying to enter the world of professionalism or world of work out of your household work, please don't hesitate to dream. Please don't hesitate to set up your goals. And most important thing, be prepared. Unless until you learn, you develop the skills, whether you're a woman or a man, nothing is possible. But at the same time, have that thought away from your mind that I'm gonna compete with the man, so I'm gonna be, fall back. I really don't think so. We are equally, can compete a male or anybody for that matter, as long as you are well prepared, as long as you have upskilled yourself. So yes, but it's not about male or women. As long as you are ready, if as long as you are learning and you are ready to unlearn and relearn, you can win the world. Of course, having said that, there are a lot of difficulties that will come your path when you have to balance balance your work, personal life. You have to look after your kids. You have to look after your in-laws. But that kind of if you have made up your mind, you can definitely come over all this barrier, and then when you win, believe me, at the end you'll be more confident than ever before. So do it for yourself, don't do it for others.
The theme for International Women's Day 2020 is Each for Equal. What is your roadmap to create a gender equal world?
I think I've already answered that question. In 2020, everybody is talking about diversity and inclusion. Everybody is trying to support women, but unless until you as a woman are not ready to gather all the courage, upskill yourself and explore the world, you can't do anything.